Hey, here we are at our first camp, getting dinner together.
Right.
What we getting for dinner?
We got rice, we're doing some beans,
Mm-hmm.
we got, we're ready to make some tea,
We almost glamping.
almost glamping,
We gotta know it's glamping.
glamour camping.
Glamour camping. Yeah. Here we got some rice coming right home on the stove. We bought from court. We got paid the installments before they come and take it to farm.
We got one protein, got a couple ants in there.
It's additives.
Additives?
Yeah.
Want to put on some tea.
Now we sleeping quarters all set. Looking all good. Net up. Yeah, man. Can't go wrong at all.
We're cooking station.
Mm-hmm. The kitchen right there. We gotta be cooking fire and we gotta be fire for light. Saving on batteries.
We're walking the, since we're that close to Linden,
Mm-hmm.
we're walking the linden leaves.
Mm-hmm.
See that?
Badia.
Linden leaves.
You don't know. Alright.
Two of them.
Well, until we boot up again.
Till we put up.
Yep.
Oh, we're done cook. Oh, we're done cook. Rice done. Look and see. We're drinking some tea. Nice hot tea. Right. Herbal tea. You want to put on the stew?
Yeah, you can go.
Right. Then got we stew on here. That's some nice beans. Rice done getting good there. Nice presentation. Can probably go an Iron Chef. Win the $1 million. I say, Lancy. Yeah? Getting up. Lancy blaze up the fire there. Because the place a little cold. Not so cold, but a little cold. You know, you can see the sun just starting to peep through the sky, peep through the forest there. Getting ready to put on maybe a little coffee. We got a little, we heat that up, tear that up.
Yep. Some coffee.
A little coffee.
Tingle up the nerves a little bit.
Yeah, we shirts done dry up there from yesterday.
And take about we plan for today. What else we can do for today?
See what we're gonna explore today.
Or we gonna find another campsite and camp out again. Or
Yeah.
we go bear hunting.
Now we see.
See, bear hunting is good in these here parts.
Yeah, bear hunting. Yeah. I hear that the Banks bear is quite nice here.
Yeah, they're brown.
They're brown.
Yeah.
And then they got the green Heineken one. Yeah, I think that was
But I
that.
like the Banks bear when it got the white fur over it, you know.
Yeah, the white fur, right? And
They're very dangerous, you know. They can
you
fuck you up if you have too much.
This is Savannah area. Sun rising. Come out to see what's going on. This is how we enter in the campsite we put up yesterday from the Savannah. A little stick we put up there to mark where the entrance is, because if you don't put up a marking, you're never going to know where you did. This little stick here we put up with a can on top, so we know where the entrance is. Got duck down. Heading into the dark woods. As we little tent, we live in area. Once you done broke down your tent, your hammock, and you pack up to go. Some cutlass there. Put on a little thing for tea, coffee. Got a little snack there. What's going on, Lassie?
Yeah, get his coffee going.
Coffee? Alright. Let's see, we got
Tingle up the nerves. Take a light there.
taking out the nerves. Let's see, we got everything prepared there
Yeah, man.
to do a little something quick. Alright, I'm signing out now.